Hi, in this video we will see how to use dissolve feature of geoprocessing toolbox. Right now I have a shape file having a boundary of Godavari basin including the polygons which represents the districts falling in the Godavari basin. So these are the full districts and these are the partial districts falling on the basin, falling inside the basin. Uh, Now the question is, I want to obtain a shape file which has only boundary of the Godavari basin. So I want to get rid of all these polygons in between and I want only the outer border. So how to obtain it? For that purpose you can use the option called dissolve. So in geoprocessing toolbox here the option is called as a dissolve. uh, Here this in geoprocessing toolbox these all options are represented with the symbols, and the symbols also represent what kind of function that the particular tool is going to do. So in case of dissolve you can see over here, so I will click on a dissolve. So it is asking me input layer. I will select input layer as a Godavari clip in this case, and then I will say save to file because I need to give a location. I will say Godavari dissolve. Okay, I will save it and then I will run it. Okay, I will say close. So earlier this was the shape file and this is the output shape file. So all the districts have been dissolved and you can see only the outer boundary. Now let's see how the attribute table looks like. So attribute table, in original attribute table of Godavari along with the districts there were several features, around 54 features which representing the districts. Now here you can see only one feature because all those features are clubbed into one polygon. Since now it is a one polygon, you can see only a single feature over here. Okay. uh, when you dissolve this, often you find such uh, errors over here. For example, the layer got dissolved but I still something inside. Okay, this is happen because of the boundaries of inner polygons were not matching, or there is some error in the overlapping the boundaries. We will see why this happens and how to get rid of it when we learn how to edit the uh, how to edit these polygons when we edit the vector file. So for a time being just neglect it. So in this video we have learned how to use a dissolve feature. Thank you.